What's the crack? Thanks for stopping by. So, it's a spud update finally, and here's what's going. We have some flowering on the ones that are in the ground, and they're quite nice and happy. These guys. So, that's a good sign anyway. I've been sort of watering and feeding a little bit inconsistently, so but they're coming through nicely. And as for the ones in, you're getting a sort of look at everything here while we're here. The ones in the tubs, oh jeepers, as you see, the saved ones from last year, Charlotte, doing alright. You can see there's some bird damage, and it's the same with those ones, the magpies and that, tend to come down and land on them. The Jemison store-bought ones, a bit yellowing down there, but that's some work for a live stream. And they're looking alright, soon to be flowering. And I've been feeding them with organic tomato fertilizer and seaweed tonic. And if I had nettle tonic to use as a foliar spray, I'd be doing that. Potatoes are kind of not great, like taking up nutrients through their roots. I suppose you'd describe it as inefficient, right? And the same with these ones. So I go about like 60 mils of organic tomato fertilizer and about 40 mils of undiluted seaweed tonic, or whatever you want to call it, and I put that into about 4.5 to 5 litres of water, and I use that to basically feed these and pretty much everything else, even things that are struggling. And yeah, the last one was this one. That's actually coming to flower now because it's the one in the bucket. You see it's getting very tall. And the flowers, normally what I do with these though is I put cardboard around here to make it a little bit taller again, and then I earth it up. But this year I said I'd just leave it and see. I don't expect, you know, a few marbles maybe, like I'm hopeful for the Jemison though, the shop bought or store bought ones in the yellow tub there, with some yellow leaves as well to match. But yeah, nettle tonic would be good for as a foliar feed. Or even, I suppose, I could have been using the seaweed, but I think it was a little late because I'd rather do it before a flowering period with those. So yeah, that's where we're at with the potatoes. Spuds in the hood. Boop, boop. Yes, that's where we're at. Oh, I see you. So, that's the potato update. Spud update. There's tomatoes, some lettuce, everything else. There's a pigeon. Good morning, pigeon. Spuds are flowering away nicely. Still waiting for the ones in the tubs to come through, but I think they'll be alright. I already found a Jemison popping up out in the last update, if you remember. So there's something in there. And yeah, I just need to stay on top of the feeding now at this period as they're coming into flower and crucial time. A lot of tuber development. Fingers crossed. Some breakfast. Yeah, so thanks for stopping by. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Slán.